students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn EVS. Come on students, let us begin our lesson. Subject is Environmental Studies Part 1, Standard 5th, and the name of the topic is Our Earth and Our Solar System. The Earth. This is our Earth. We are living on our Earth. We are going to study now about the Earth and the solar system in which the Earth is there. When we look up from an open ground, we see the sky. In a clear night sky, we can see many stars. They are very far away from the Earth. Some stars are prominent while some are tiny and faint. If we look at them carefully, we find that many of them twinkle, but some do not. The sun, the heavenly bodies that twinkle are called stars. Sun is a star, right? Stars have their own light. The sun is very closer to us than any of the other stars. Hence, it appears big and brilliant. In its bright light during the day, we cannot see other stars. Dear students, the heavenly bodies that do not twinkle are called planets. Planets do not have light of their own. They get light from the stars. Planets revolve around the star even as they rotate around themselves. Here you can see 8 planets. They are revolving around the sun. The Earth. Our Earth is a planet. It gets light from the sun. It moves around the sun and its movement around the sun is called the revolution of the Earth. Besides the Earth, there are 7 other planets that revolve around the sun. You know this, sun is the only planet which has life. Correct? Now we will study about planets. Our solar system has 8 planets. Okay, all 8 planets have their names. Now we will go through their names. Okay, the first one is Mercury. Second one, Venus. Then our Earth. The next one is Mars. Then comes Jupiter. And then Saturn, Uranus, and the last one is Neptune. Yes, students, these are 8 planets in our solar system. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, and our Earth's position is 3rd. Jupiter is the largest planet in size. Saturn has rings. And Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun. Okay. Now see this. This is our solar system. Every planet in the solar system revolves around the Sun along a specific path. You can see here all the 8 planets, they are revolving around the Sun in their own path. That is called as planet's orbit. The Sun, which is a star, and the planets that revolve around it are together called the solar system. Besides the planets, the solar system includes various other heavenly bodies. Okay? We will study about these different heavenly bodies now. Satellites. Some heavenly bodies revolve around the planets. These are called satellites. Satellites too get the light from the Sun. We see the moon at night. It revolves around the earth. Hence it is called the satellite of the earth. Most of the planets in the solar system have satellites. The planets revolve around the Sun along with their satellites. How moon revolves around the earth? Because moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Dwarf planets. Dwarf means small, small in size. They are like planets in all sense, but because of their small size, they are called as dwarf planets. There are some smaller heavenly bodies that revolve around the Sun. They are called dwarf planets. Of these, the most well-known is Pluto. Dwarf planets revolve around independently around the Sun. They have an orbit of their own. They too revolve around the Sun in their own orbit. Asteroids. These are also the heavenly bodies. Between the planets Mars and Jupiter, there is a band of numerous small heavenly bodies. They are called asteroids. Asteroids also revolve around the Sun. See, dear students, you can see here the highlighter here. This is the Mars and this is the Jupiter. And here you can see the small heavenly bodies. They are called asteroids. They are also revolving around the Sun in their specific path between the Mars and the Jupiter. Okay? Compared to the Sun, other heavenly bodies in the solar system are much smaller. The Moon is closest to the Earth. That is why it appears to be so big, although it is actually very much smaller than the Sun. Here you can see the solar system. In it, you see the Sun in the center, the heavenly bodies that revolve around it and their orbits. The planets, satellites, dwarf planets and asteroids are all part of the solar system. Yes, dear students, now we have covered half of the lesson and the other half we will cover in the next lecture. Now we will do some of the evaluation. Okay, some small questions we will put and we will find out the answer for these. First one, who am I? The first one is, I have my own light. It is only from me that the planets get light and heat. Who gives us light? Who gives the light to the earth? Yes, your answer is right. Sun. Correct? Second one. I turn around myself, around a planet and also around a star. Yes, what is the answer here? Again we will read. I turn around myself, around a planet also and also around the star. Yes, your answer is right. That is nothing but a satellite. Moon. You can take moon turns around itself. It also turns around our earth and also turns around our sun. That is our star. Third one, I turn around myself and revolve around the sun. Yes, exactly. Your answer is right one. The planet. Here we can take earth also. Correct? Next, no other planet has a living world like mine. Yes, which planet has life on it? Correct. That is nothing but earth. Next, I am the nearest star to the earth. Nearest star. Don't think about the planet. It is the nearest star to the earth. That is nothing but sun. Very good. Distinguish between stars and planets. Yes, dear students, you know clearly about the stars and also you know about the planets. Okay, now we will find out the difference between the stars and the planets. Okay, we will make two parts here first. Okay, then we will write stars and we will draw a star here, our sun. Okay, we will take the example of our sun, planets, and here we will draw earth, our planet. Okay, remember these two pictures. Now we will go for distinguish. First one, the heavenly bodies that twinkle are called stars. Isn't it? The stars always twinkle. They have their own light. Correct? So, stars means heavenly bodies that twinkle. And what about the planets? Planets are also the heavenly bodies, but they do not twinkle. See our Earth. Earth is a planet. It does not have its own light. It gets the light and heat from the sun. Okay, this is the first difference. Second one, stars have their own light. And here planets, they do not have their own light and they get light from the stars. Isn't it? Third one, stars are steady. Means they are still. They remain in one place. They are steady. Planets revolve around the stars. They always move or in the motion, isn't it? Yes, these are the main differences between the stars and the planets. Okay. Now dear students, now we have learned so many things about our solar system. Yes, different heavenly bodies are there in our solar system. For example, sun, planets, asteroids, satellites, dwarf planets, etc. Correct? Sun is in the center of our solar system, and all 8 planets, including the dwarf planets and the satellites of the planets, they revolve around the sun in their own orbit. There are heavenly bodies called asteroids are there between the planets Mars and Jupiter. They are also revolving around the sun. Okay, now this is all about today. Now in the next lecture we will study the second part of this lesson.
Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.